Here we have the error, the bug we must fix. Unknown format conversion exception. It's in line 21 here. Can you see here we have forgotten something important? This is the data format to specify what format. After decimal point we must have how many numbers. I have type 5. Now it should work. Now let's make size more bigger. Teacher name David. Course name is CCNA. Hour of course 15 hours. Can you see it work? Teacher name David, course name CCNA, not hour of course 15 hours. Price is 250. Calculated price here. Can you see? The reason is why is 250 is because 1 hour is 5 euros. 5 multiplying by 50 is 250. Great. I have made some update here. After printing this, the cursor go in the beginning of the next line. Can you see? Price calculation here, and cursor will go to in the beginning in the new line, and here let's make here size bigger, and here after calculated price printed I have typed the go in new line character here. And now I like to explain something. We can use the setter method here. Now cout to have the new line character, the cursor to go in new line. Now the class, this class set, just a moment here. What is the variable? This is the variable. The variable from that class set our course. And now let's create here the input value. What to say? You can use the same name. Or you can use here, you can make 2 and here to say double, because here can you see it's void input next double, and here now cout get price calculation, and here calculation value. Now let's run. Teacher name Rob. course name CCNA, hour of course 50 hours. Can you see? And now here we are going to make update hours of course. For example, we have 60 hours. Can you see 60 multiplying by 5 is 300. It's working perfect. Now I like to explain what we have done. Here in this class we have, here it's not static, it's private. Here we have create the instance variable field. Here we have private. This instance variable, it will be used just in this class. Here are the instance variable. The constructor, the name of constructor must be same as the name of this class. Here the parameters inside, here in this parenthesis we have defined. We have here, this are the parameters of constructor. This variable parameter here, it will be assigned to the instance variable here teacher. Can you see it's highlighted? The keyword this is used because to differentiate from teacher, because if you delete this, this value teacher, it cannot know which side to assign. When we use this, it say that this value of teacher assign to value to this teacher instance variable, and so on. Here now we have create setter and getter. Set, we have say that this value of teacher, it will be assigned to this instance variable teacher to store here. Getter, we have here string, it will return this course name is a string, that value to return. Here in this method double, this it means it's public, it will be accessed in this method. We can call that method. Here is the name of class get price. Here this is the local variable, this is data type. Here the reason is 5 because 1 hour cost 5 euros. To calculate the price, it must multiply 5 euros multiplied by the number of hours, and this get from, it will return this value from this method. Now print formatted, this it will print this string. This specify what format we have. This is the decimal number, floating point. Say 5 number after decimal point. This is the very local variable, it will be placeholder here. After printing that, the cursor, it will go in new line in the beginning of line, and return that calculated value variable local. And now here we have this. This is the class name. Here after class name we have declare these are all instance variable fields. Private, just this variable will be accessed just in this class. Static is because this method is static. It can take this value just if you have here static and this static. Final is, this is the constant. It will not change. This class, when scanner is, this is for input to value. These are instance variable. Here print this string. And now can you see this? We are take this instance variable, this variable we have right, and this read the input value. Now we have a call this class. This is the variable for this class. Create the new object, and we have assigned this is the value for of constructor. Can you see this is the input value that we have give with keyboard? Can you see teacher, and this is teacher, this value, all the input value from keyboard. Now we have call this is the variable of this class constructor 2, and we have called this method get teacher to return that value, and these methods, and say print for print line, print that methods. Here is the go in the beginning in command window cursor. Here we have make some update. Here type the input, read the input value. Here we have call the variable of this class. Here set our courses. We would like to assign author value here, hour of underscore course. Can you see this value input that we have here from keyboard? It will be assigned here, and it will be stored in this instance variable. Then we will call the variable of this class and get that price. Can you see it will be calculated here for that value that we have set here. It will be calculated all, it will be returned that value, and it will print that value. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I wish to all you all the best of luck.